We've dropped into Citizen HQ down in Bushy. We're going to have a chat with our friend Chris here. We're going to find out about the M32. Now, you will have heard of the M32, but not this M32. Tell me a bit about it, Chris.
So this is the M5 or Series 5 machine. That's next one up. We'll start with the controller, okay. M800 controller, nice new HMI, very similar to the D25. So yeah.
So HMI, human machine interface?
Human machine interface, yeah.
So touchscreen, Mitsubishi controls?
Yeah, touchscreen, nice keypad on it to make the programming a bit more easy.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think it makes sense just to actually walk our way down the machine. So here, obviously got your slider in there, your guide bush, etc. What's going on with this and what does that mean?
I've taken the guide bush out because the job what we're putting on there is going to be running non-guide bush mode. So the machine's interchangeable between the two, and it will take 38mm bar, slider or non-slider or non-guide bush.
So when you say up to 38mm bar, that will be with the expansion kit, is that correct?
Yeah, it's the machine's designed to take 38mm, yeah.
But then when you go in the non-guide bush, again up to 38mm, but what's the benefit of having it non-guide bush?
Shorter bar remnants, so if you're saving on material cost, and accuracy of part. It's not always, but it's like concentricities and stuff like that can be better on with non-guide bush.
But just to clarify, I mean, this is a really accurate machine. We'll come to tooling, spindles, etc. in a minute. But when you're talking the accuracy on these machines, you're talking sort of 5 microns when you're taking it.
Yeah, it's if you really need the concentricity or something like that. It's better to not push it through a guide bush or something. But it's just on any machine. Okay,
no problem at all. So next, let's move down a bit along the machine. Now, not seen this before. What's going on here?
This is the B-axis, which is full 5-axis simultaneous. From the older machine, it only had 3 on the face, facing the main spindle, but this has got 8 now, 4 front, 4 back. So you've got full 5-axis on both spindles.
So essentially, you're going to be able to make some really complex parts on this.
Yeah, whatever you can dream up, pretty much, you can put in there.
Okay, and then so you've got the B-axis here. What's happening with the gang?
It's exactly the same as the last M, 5 turn, 4 driven. It's exactly the same.
Nice and simple. Turret though, that looks like a beast there, but in terms of tooling, power, drive?
Yeah, so the power's been up. It's 2.2 kilowatts now. The drive to the driven tools is a dog drive now, so it's just putting the more torque through it.
So when you say dog drive, it's actually a direct drive system.
Yeah, it's like a tang which powers it now. So like on Mianos, it's the same as that. Static tools are the same, so turning tool holders, static, drilling, that's all the same as the previous M.
Okay. Now up here then, I'm looking at that thinking, that B-axis there and some other tooling options?
Yeah, it's a manual B or angular face tool or whatever you want. 2 driven up there, you can have up to 9 tools up there, 6 which are driven. It's endless. You just keep bolting tools onto it.
So I'm trying to count out how many tools you can put on here and all the different axes, but we won't go into that. If you want to find out more about that, obviously you can speak to salesmen and see the guys more about what's going on with the spindles themselves, upgraded?
Yeah, they've been upgraded. They're 5.5 kilowatts constant and then 7.5 kilowatts peak. A bit of a beast.
Well, when you say a beast, I mean, there's a lot of stuff going on here, but the M32 previously Type 4, really rigid machine, but even that's been upgraded?
Yeah, it's boxed sideways now on the turret. It's same as our Mianos again. It's something like 60% thicker slides than conventional machines and stuff like that.
So really intricate parts, big depths of cut. So Chris, really impressive stuff. There you go. That's it, nice, simple, yeah, fantastic machine.